The world of construction is always evolving. New materials and techniques emerge, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. One such innovation is hard casting cement. This remarkable material is changing the construction landscape. Hard casting cement offers superior strength, unmatched durability, and incredible versatility. From massive industrial projects to detailed artistic endeavors, this game-changing material is leaving its mark. Builders and architects are increasingly turning to hard casting cement for its exceptional performance. Its ability to withstand immense pressure and resist wear and tear makes it ideal for demanding applications. Whether it's the foundation of a skyscraper or a decorative element in a residential home, hard casting cement delivers exceptional results. Its rapid setting time further adds to its appeal, speeding up construction processes and improving efficiency. The versatility of hard casting cement is truly remarkable. It can be used in a wide range of projects, both big and small. Its ability to be molded into intricate shapes makes it a favorite among artists and sculptors. At the same time, its robust nature makes it perfect for heavy-duty industrial uses. With hard casting cement, the possibilities are virtually endless. Hard casting cement is not your ordinary cement. It's a carefully engineered material with a unique composition that gives it exceptional properties. The key ingredient is Portland cement, the most common type of cement used worldwide. But hard casting cement takes it a step further by incorporating special additives and meticulously selected aggregates. These additives are the secret sauce of hard casting cement. They enhance its workability, making it easier to mix, pour, and mold. They also accelerate the curing process, allowing for faster construction times. Aggregates such as sand, gravel, or crushed stone play a crucial role in the strength and durability of the final product. The specific type and size of aggregates used can be tailored to meet the demands of different applications. The precisely controlled mixing process ensures that all ingredients are uniformly distributed. This meticulous approach results in a homogeneous mixture with enhanced strength and consistency. The water-to-cement ratio is also carefully monitored to achieve the desired workability and setting time. Too much water can weaken the cement, while too little can make it difficult to work with. The popularity of hard casting cement in construction stems from its impressive array of benefits. First and foremost is its exceptional strength. Hard casting cement can withstand incredibly high compressive forces, making it ideal for structural elements and load-bearing applications. This superior strength translates into structures that are built to last, requiring less maintenance and repair over their lifespan. Durability is another hallmark of hard casting cement. It exhibits outstanding resistance to wear and tear, abrasion, and impact. This makes it suitable for high-traffic areas, industrial settings, and environments with extreme weather conditions. Hard casting cement surfaces hold up well over time, maintaining their integrity and appearance for years to come. The versatility of hard casting cement is a testament to its adaptability. It can be poured into a wide variety of molds, allowing for intricate designs and custom shapes. This makes it a favorite among architects, designers, and artists looking to push the boundaries of creativity. Whether it's a curved wall, a decorative column, or a lifelike sculpture, hard casting cement can bring any vision to life. Hard casting cement is used in a variety of applications due to its durability and strength. It's commonly used in industrial flooring, where heavy machinery and constant foot traffic require a robust surface. Additionally, it's ideal for constructing high-strength structures like bridges and dams, which need to withstand immense pressure and environmental stress. Moreover, hard casting cement is often utilized in the repair and maintenance of existing concrete structures, ensuring longevity and stability. When it comes to sourcing hard casting cement, selecting reputable suppliers is crucial. Look for suppliers with a proven track record of quality and reliability. It's also essential to follow best practices during the mixing and application process. Always adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines for mixing ratios and curing times. Proper surface preparation and adequate curing are vital to achieving the best results. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the lifespan of structures made with hard casting cement. In conclusion, hard casting cement is a versatile and reliable material widely used in various construction applications. Its strength and durability make it an excellent choice for both new projects and repairs. By selecting reputable suppliers and following best practices, you can ensure the longevity and performance of your structures. Thank you for